Hi guys, this is my 45mm classico chronograph. As you can see, it's absolutely beautiful. Everything works on this watch as it should do. Has a gloss finish, has a ETA 775 movement, it's got a 44-hour power reserve, and I believe this one is 16mm thick, which is quite nice. It's got a beautiful exhibition back, as you can see. The watch is working flawlessly. Let's just try and get that at a better angle for you. Nothing wrong with this watch at all. It works as it should. Chronograph is working perfectly. Let me show you. There we go. And let's reset that for you. Resets back to the 12 o'clock position as it should. This is a beautiful watch. Comes with a carbon fibre U-boat box, which is a special edition box. Not many of them come with those. Really, really, really nice.